Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be showing you what UKG Pro app is and how to use it. Let's get started. The UKG Pro app is a comprehensive mobile application designed to streamline human capital management (HCM) and workforce management (WFM) tasks for employees and managers. Developed by UKG Ultimate Chronos Group, the app offers secure real-time access to essential HR tools and information, enabling users to manage various aspects of their work life efficiently. Now let's move to how to use it. First, what you need to do is open up your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, then type UKG Pro on your search bar. Then after this icon pop up, tap on that, and once you're in, tap on your install option, and after installing it, open up your app. So upon opening the app, you'll be prompted to enter your company's access code. If you're unsure of this code, check with your HR department. Next, sign in using your UKG Pro credentials. This could be your company email or a username and password depending on your organization's setup. Once you're logged in, you land on your personalized dashboard. There you can quickly access various features. Tap on My Profile to view or update your personal information. Then access My Profile for personal details. Use the Pay section to view your pay stubs and tax information. Then on the time off, you can request vacation days or even sick leaves. To clock in or out, simply tap on the time icon. You can also view your time card and any overtime hours you have worked. Then if you need to check your upcoming shifts, tap on the schedule to view your work schedule. And if you want to submit a request, tap on request and choose the type of request you wish to make. So to stay informed with the real-time notifications, the bell icon alerts you to important updates such as schedule changes or new messages. You can check your notifications via the bell icon. So with the UKG Pro app, managing your work life will never be more convenient. I hope you guys like this video. Like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.